Continue to move across central Florida both today and early tomorrow. Winds right now in Emily at 45 miles per hour just off the coast of Tampa. That's going to move in. It's going to be a big rainmaker for us. Already some of the rain moving in. Several inches will be possible in our southern zones. Models take Emily across central Florida into the Atlantic and away from us late tomorrow into the middle of the week. So prepare for some wet weather the next couple days. Localized flooding. We'll keep you posted.
Now as it moves ashore, coming off of the Gulf of Mexico this morning, bringing widespread rainfall and localized flooding. There's a tropical storm warning in effect from the Enclo River in northern Pinellas County all the way south to Bonita Beach. Tropical storm warnings mean that conditions are occurring. Tropical storm conditions would be gusty winds and, of course, the heavy rainfall that we have been seeing all morning long. The forecast track brings the center of Emily over Florida and then into the Atlantic off the southeastern coast by early tomorrow morning. So I think we're seeing the worst of the conditions right now.
These are the waves from Tropical Storm Emily coming ashore, Fort Myers Beach. The storm is several miles north of us, off the coast of the Tampa St. Pete area.
If you lived in Homestead, Florida in 1992, Andrew is a name you will never forget. Just like in 2005, if you lived in the New Orleans area, Katrina. The military started naming storms after their wives, their girlfriends, but none of these names were made public. So in 1950, everything changed. Several storms formed out in the Atlantic about the same time. It created a lot of confusion. So the U.S. Weather Bureau said, okay, let's start naming storms. And they actually started by using the World War II alphabet. Abel, Baker, Charlie, Dog, Easy. But this created confusion as well because every year the storm names were the same. It wasn't until 1979 that we started alternating male and female names. We recycle that list every 6 years. In the Atlantic Basin, we use English, Spanish, and French names. No storms are named after a particular person. In fact, you can't request a storm to be named after you. That entire process is handled by the World Meteorological Organization. A storm name will be retired if it is too costly or deadly, and it would be inappropriate to use it in future years. In fact, since 1950, there have been nearly 80 storm names retired. And what happens if we go through all of the storm names? Well, it happened in 2005. We ended up going to the Greek alphabet.